Your iPhone shows no service or emergency calls only, and you cannot make calls or use mobile data. Let us fix this right now.
There are 3 possible states. No service means your iPhone cannot detect any cellular network at all. SOS Only means it can reach emergency services through other carriers, but not your own. And searching means it is actively scanning for a signal.
Solution 1. Toggle airplane mode. Open Settings, turn airplane mode on, wait 15 seconds, then turn it off. This forces the modem to re-register with the nearest cell tower. It is the quickest fix and works about 40% of the time.
Solution 2. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button and volume button until the power off slider appears. Slide to power off, wait 30 seconds, then hold the side button to turn it back on. A restart clears temporary modem glitches.
Solution 3. Check that cellular data is enabled. Open Settings, tap Cellular, and make sure the cellular data toggle is green and turned on. If it was off, simply turning it on may restore your connection immediately.
Solution 4. Check for a carrier settings update. Go to Settings, then General, then About. Wait 10 to 15 seconds. If an update is available, a pop-up will appear. Tap Update to install the latest carrier configuration for your network.
Solution 5. Update iOS to the latest version. Go to Settings General, then Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. iOS updates include critical modem firmware and baseband fixes that can resolve connectivity issues.
Solution 6. Reset network settings. This is one of the most effective fixes. Go to Settings General, scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, then tap Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode to confirm. Your iPhone will restart. Note that this erases saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth pairings, but your personal data is safe. Solution 7. Reseat the physical SIM card. Power off your iPhone, find the SIM tray on the side, use the eject tool or a paperclip to pop it out. Inspect the SIM for damage, gently clean the gold contacts, and reinsert it in the correct orientation. Power on and check for signal.
Solution 8. Check your eSIM or dual SIM configuration. Go to Settings, then Cellular. Under the SIM section, tap your cellular line and make sure Turn on this line is active. If you are traveling, you may need to add or re-provision an eSIM.
Solution 9. Enable data roaming if you are traveling internationally. Go to Settings, Cellular, then Cellular Data Options, and turn on data roaming. This is essential when using your phone abroad, but check with your carrier about potential charges.
Solution 10. Change the voice and data mode. Go to Settings, Cellular Data Options, then Voice and Data. Select LTE instead of 5G. In areas with weak 5G coverage, forcing LTE can help your phone connect to a 4G tower instead.
Solution 11. Contact your carrier. If none of the previous steps worked, your account may be suspended. There could be a network outage in your area, or your SIM may need reprovisioning. Call your carrier support to check your account status.
Solution 12. Perform a DFU Restore. This is the deepest software restore possible and reloads both iOS and the modem firmware. Connect your iPhone to a computer, then quickly press volume up, quickly press volume down, then hold the side button until the screen goes black. Hold volume down while keeping the side button pressed until the computer detects the device. Click Restore. Warning: this erases all data on the device.
If nothing else worked, the issue may be hardware damage to the antenna or baseband. Visit an Apple Store or authorized service provider for professional diagnostics and repair.
Here is a quick recap of all solutions in order of difficulty. Start with airplane mode toggle, then restart, check cellular data, update carrier settings, update iOS, reset network settings, reseat the SIM, check eSIM, enable roaming, change voice mode, contact carrier, and finally, DFU Restore. Most issues are resolved by Step 6.
Why does this happen? Common causes include iOS update bugs, outdated carrier settings, corrupted network configurations, carrier outages, damaged SIM cards, and in rare cases, hardware antenna failure. Keeping your iOS and carrier settings updated is the best prevention.